Emerson, Arkansas, 2.5 hours southwest of Little Rock. A town that's small in size, but with an event that's the biggest in the world.
Well, it's unique. They don't have it anywhere else that I know of.
It was just supposed to be a novelty, and it's ended up being pretty good size.
Emerson is home to the World Championship of Rototiller Racing. The format is inspired by drag racing. Contestants compete head-to-head on a 200-foot course in one of 3 classes of racing: the Junior Flowerbed Division, the Intermediate Stock Division, and the Premier Super Modified Division.
Now, this is not your garden variety tiller, you know, you go out there and plow your garden with. Now, you got to be a souped-up wildcat to run with it.
Basically, the rules, they have a 50 horsepower limit, and it has to go through a stock tiller gearbox. You can do any other kind of modifications to the frame and engine or whatever. Now, we put a lot of engineering in it. I set these things up to my runners. I time them on foot, what they can run in a 200-foot course, and then I gear the tiller for that. And I usually have the tiller running about 20% faster what my runner can.
You're going to be able to go wide open. I mean, that's the name of the game. Just hang on, keep your knees up, and you'll be all right.
The success of the PurpleHull Pea Festival has attracted major sponsorship from brands like Sawblade.com, the leading online retailer of saws, blades, and parts.
The rural market is a key market for Sawblade.com. A lot of people will say, you know, this can't make sense with your advertising dollars, right? It certainly makes sense with your heart dollars. So you go out and you interview people and you realize how important this is for them.
We love everything grassroots. And so whether it's sprint car racing, tractor pulling, or tiller racing, you know, we're into anything that has to do with the dirt and grassroots people, you know. When you go out there and you kind of immerse yourself with all these smiling faces and these kids running around and you kind of get to see the realness of it all, it's like a breath of fresh air.
I'll tell folks, you know, if you've never seen a tiller race, need to come and watch it at least once.
So you need to just come and see for yourself. It's something that you will really enjoy. And the next time you'll be asking, when is it? When is it? I gotta come.